Hello students, in this experiment we are going to see how to measure emissivity of any surface. So the specification of this experimental setup is given. The voltmeter range is between 0 to 300 volts. Current range or ammeter range is 0 to 5 ampere. Diameter of the specimen body. So here are the two bodies shown here. So the diameter of this specimen body is 150 mm and diameter of black body is 150 mm. So the dimensions are same. The purpose of keeping the dimensions same is that you should have a common reference point for measuring the temperature and emissivity. And the temperature indicator range is 0 to almost 1000 degrees Celsius. So the procedure for this experiment will be explained by Dr. Sumed Ingre. Yes,
Hello students, we'll discuss regarding the determination of emissivity of test surface. What is emissivity? Emissivity is nothing but the emissive power of any body to the emissive power of black body. So we can see over here in the setup of this emissivity, here there is a black body and here there is a grey body. Black body is nothing but the material of the both bodies is the same. Okay, we can see over here material of the both bodies is same.
it is being heated, so we can't touch this.
You can touch inside over there. Only the black body is made with the help of lamp black. We apply the lamp black and that body will becomes the black body. So here there is a black body, here there is a grey body. We can see over here on these bodies there are the 5 thermocouples on the grey body, 5 thermocouples on the black body, and one thermal couple we can see over here, hanging over here, that is for the to measure the ambient temperature. On this side we can see there is a voltmeter to measure the voltage, ammeter to measure the current, temperature indicator to measure the temperature. Again there is a voltmeter and ammeter. So this voltmeter and ammeter is for the black body and this voltmeter and ammeter is for the grey body. Similarly, there are two thermostats. This is for the grey body and this is for the black body. So this is regarding the experimental setup. For procedure, first of all switch on the power supply. After switch on the power supply, adjust the thermostat of the black body, vary the voltage, adjust the thermostat of the grey body, vary the voltage, and then wait for the steady state condition. The steady state condition will occur at around 45 minutes. It may be around, it may attain up to 40 minutes or 50 minutes. So it is at around 45 minutes. When the steady state condition is attained, come to the setup. Just rotate the knob of this temperature indicator. Measure all the temperatures T1 to T11. So how many thermocouples? There are 11 thermocouples. So 11 thermocouple. So we have to measure all these T1 to T11 temperatures. As well as we have to measure the voltage, current for the grey body, voltage and current for the black body. After taking these observations, we can find out the emissivity using this formula, that is 1 minus QB minus QS upon Stefan-Boltzmann's constant sigma A into Ts raised to power 4 minus Ta raised to power 4. Just this Ts is nothing but the average of all the 10 temperatures and Ta is the ambient temperature. Stefan-Boltzmann's constant is nothing but 5.67 into 10 raised to power minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to power 4. This is the constant. This Q is the heat supplied to the black body, which can be measured, which can be calculated just by V into I. This QS is the heat supplied to the test surface or grey body. Test surface is nothing but the grey body, that is V into I. Just by using this formula, we can find out the emissivity of the grey body or any surface. What are the precautions we have to take during this experimentation? We should not exceed the input above 150 watt. Suppose we exceed the input above 150 watt, then there will be a burnouts. And most important is that we should not touch any electrical connections or electrical appliances.
So here is all about the measuring of emissivity of gray body or any test surface. So kindly remember these formulas. You will learn these formulas in unit 5, I
Unit
think,
5.
in the heat transfer.
Radiation.
So for any questions related to the experiment, you can drop us an email on bhagwatabhishekmeg@sanjeevani.org.in or ingresumedmeg@sanjeevani.org.in. Thank you very much.